The country with the biggest breasts in the world is England, with an average bust of E. The coldest place on Earth is Vostok Station in Antarctica, where a temperature of -89.2 degrees Celsius was once observed. Human lungs breathe about 20,000 times a day. The ideal size for a woman is 16 to 18 centimeters. Sleeping with one's toes out from under the covers makes it easier to fall into a deep sleep. The human small intestine is about 5 to 6 meters long. The phenomenon of twitching while sleeping is called jerking. Bread is short for staple bread. Ancient Egyptians used to make pillows out of stone. A person's face looks more attractive when viewed from the left. Behaviors become habitual in about 1 month. About 40% of female college students have had masturbation